Hello, and welcome to the National Youth Leadership Forum on Law and CSI Mentor Webinar. We're very excited to have you join us today. WorldStride started in 1967 to provide educational travel opportunities for students to gain firsthand experience and career exploration. Since that time, we have inspired over 800,000 students from 150 countries to make informed decisions about their future, as well as learning about themselves. Under the WorldStrides umbrella are the Oxbridge Academic Programs, the Honors Performance Series, Rice Elite Technology, and Envision by WorldStrides. Envision by WorldStrides has been around for over 35 years and has been empowering extraordinary and high-performing students to discover their passion, explore future careers, and positively impact the world around them. The Law and CSI program is for high school students in the 9th through 12th grades. Students will spend 8 amazing days in Washington, D.C. that will put the students on a path to a career in either law or crime scene investigation. The Law and CSI program is an 8-day residential program at the University of Maryland campus outside of Washington, D.C. Students will join other high schoolers from around the country for this extraordinary opportunity and hear from subject matter experts, gain invaluable hands-on experience, and be empowered to fully realize their potential. Next, we'll discuss the accommodations and safety for scholar life. All students at the Law and CSI program will reside at the University of Maryland. They will be in a shared dorm room with a roommate. The dormitory will give them access to lounges, vending machines, and other amenities. The meals will also be provided in traditional dining halls. There will be controlled building access. So anyone that wants to enter the buildings will either need a key or some type of access card to enter the building. Wi-Fi is also provided, and staff will have access to this internet at all times. The safety and supervision of our students is the #1 priority. To maintain that, we have a student-to-staff ratio of 17:1 with a classroom ratio of 25:1. Our staff will be with our students 24 hours a day, and we'll also have an on-site program office in the dormitory. Access to that office in person will be from 8 a.m. until midnight, and we also have a phone line that will be available 24 hours a day. Students will choose to participate in either a legal or a CSI track during the program, which will allow them to explore the world of law and crime scene investigation in a way that goes far beyond the classroom. At the National Youth Leadership Forum on Law and CSI, students will cover the entire judicial process in depth, from the discovery of a crime through collecting and analyzing all of the evidence, to preparing for the courtroom process, and taking part in a criminal trial. We are thrilled to have some of the top law and criminal investigative minds as our keynote speakers year after year. Some of our past speakers at the Law and CSI program have included FBI profilers, Supreme Court justices, former U.S. attorney generals, preeminent law scholars, and more. These compelling speakers will share their knowledge, experience, and stories to bring the fields of law and crime scene investigation to life for our students. Students will also spend time at George Mason University to further delve into their chosen career path. If a student is interested in learning more about legal studies, they will hear from law school representatives and get a day-in-the-life glimpse of a law student. Students interested in CSI will be involved in hands-on forensic science and crime scene investigation workshops led by George Mason faculty. And of course, we want to balance the learning with fun. It's important for students at this age to have free time to play and also get exercise outdoors so that they remain more focused while they're learning. They'll use the leadership skills that are learned inside the classroom and apply it to the team building activities outside. There are also evening team times and excursions to both cultural and social locations in the Washington, D.C. area. Students attending the Law CSI program are eligible to receive college credits through George Mason University. This college credit is issued directly from George Mason on a pass-fail basis at the cost of $110 per credit. On the screen are the dates for the Law CSI program for summer 2024. As previously mentioned, all sessions will take place at the University of Maryland College Park campus. The dates for summer 2024 are June 16th through June 23rd, June 26th through July 3rd, July 6th through July 13th, and July 16th through July 23rd. Thank you so much for attending this webinar. If you have any questions about the Law CSI program or how to nominate your scholars for this incredible opportunity, please reach out directly to our Office of Admissions at 844-546-3328. And again, that phone number is 844-546-3328. We look forward to receiving the nominations for your students to attend the Law CSI program, as well as inviting your students to have the opportunity of a lifetime in their own Envision experience. Thank you.